Good morning. We're gonna drop Andrew to school and then Katie's here. So we're gonna drop Andrew to school and we'll see what we can do for the day.
They put trout in there though.
Mom,
Yeah,
can I play here?
yeah, down the bottom, darling.
No.
Aren't you gonna wee? I thought you're gonna wee. Katie, not like that.
I don't care. I don't care. I found you. Let me go.
Where do you think the water is coming out? Coming from the ground? Katie? Watch out, don't step like a duck. You're doing your mighty paddle. That's enough, and then you're gonna go dig in there. It's in the bottom. On the bottom. What is your favorite board?
Well,
Boat? This one? Row, row, row. What? You sing it? Row, row, row.
beep beep. That's my phone.
Is it? Hello there, good noon. It's noontime here in Australia. And it's actually Saturday today and it's election day. So I'm gonna cast my vote. Katie with me and my beautiful boy, my beautiful girl Katie. My husband just went in because no one will be looking after the kids while we're casting our votes. And I'll be going once he's finished. So, sunod ko pag humaniya. So, nami sa eskwelahan diri sa Biak Primary School. We have our own school here. We're just closer to where we live. And yeah, cast my votes. I'll go for Clive Farmer United Australia. I know that it's a bit hard, you know, which party to get in because Labour and Liberals are the two big names. But you know, my second option is Liberal. So we, you know, that's the same as in the Philippines when we have elections. So yeah, good luck. Anyway, so that's it. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hello, it's Katie here. We just got home from Katie swimming and Daddy just got out in the car to open the door and put the heater on. But we're staying here because it's raining so hard. It is wet and cold and it's raining. How did you go at swimming? You're such a good girl. Don't cross your eyes. But yeah, okay, let's get it out. I have to get out Andrew too. There it is. Cat is coming. It's raining ice. Oh my gosh. It's freezing. We're still in the car. We just arrived and we just arrived at home and everything is, it is wet. It's wet and it's raining a little bit of Little bit of ice. It's a very rainy Saturday today. There's not much we can do, and everyone is sick. I'm sick, Daddy's sick, Andrew's sick. Our car is in the front because we're waiting for the wood fire delivery. And I doubt if it's gonna be delivered today because it's raining. Yeah, it's absolutely raining.